I chose to speak on the etiology and reservoir of the polio virus. So the etiology for this disease is pretty complex. The technical name for it is enterovirus poliomyelitis. This small RNA virus is surrounded by a protein capsid without a lipid envelope, which in return makes the poliovirus resistant to lipid solubles and able to remain stable at a low pH. Polio then multiplies throughout the body, including the small intestine, the blood, and all of that leads up to the central nervous system where it has a high affinity for motor nerves. This virus was once said to be able to thrive only in a low pH. Recent research proved this to be wrong, actually. Other acidic viruses were combined with a basic solution, which would create a basic sort of environment for that virus and inhibit the virus from thriving. The same test was done on the polio virus, and it continued to thrive regardless of the basic pH. And this is so important because, or it was a really good finding because this means that the virus can spread and flourish in many different hosts and environments regardless of the acidity. In regards to the reservoir of this virus, humans are the only likely reservoir for this virus. Monkeys are thought to be infected with the virus, or higher primates, but it is unlikely that they are reservoirs in nature. Still more research is being done on that. The virus is spread through infectious humans or their waste. This all happens by means of fecal hand-oral transmission from one host to another person. This can be done through contaminated food, contaminated water, which is a really, really big one. One thing that I found to be really interesting about the polio virus is that currently in Pakistan, it's considered to be an extreme hotspot for the polio virus. There's many efforts to get clean water to the areas that are highly affected. They're trying to get as many volunteers over there as possible so that they can vaccinate people, kids, and all those that have been affected by it. Um, the disease is currently spreading like wildfire over there. It's really crazy and really sad, and the numbers they're really increasing drastically every year.